Yasir Usmani faced the challenge of tied tongue till the age of 4 until he received the surgery and been able to speak. His educational journey was started in Saudi Arabia as he graduated from high school in 2009 from Saudi education system. Regardless of the fact that Yasir was brought up in a Pakistani family, with Urdu being the mother language, Yasir succeeded to finish his high school in Arabic medium and scored the highest grades across Saudi Arabia. The struggle didn't end, as to pursue his higher education, Yasir flew back to Pakistan and followed his ambition of engineering. Linguistic barriers and financial constraints appeared to be bone-cracking tasks for Yasir, but determination always overcome challenge, and tireless effort finally got him enrolled in electrical engineering from country's leading engineering institute, the NED University of Engineering and Technology. It's been a global enigma that how Muslims are able to learn the Holy Quran by heart. Chasing the modern education along with Hifz al-Quran, Yasir Usmani learned the interpretation of Holy Quran, Hadith, and Sunnah, history of Islamic and Arabic literature from Al-Khandaq College, Makkah. His continuous passion for disseminating the true and kind picture of Islam made him recognized among the common masses, and soon Yasir started delivering public and corporate lectures and training with the application of Quran and Sunnah in daily lives in the true letter and spirit. He once said to the audience, "I never tried to impose the jurisprudence of Islam to masses. I follow Muhammad, peace be upon him, as he was the sunshine to humanity, ethics and life of kindness. Yes sir, peace and love, and these are the most missing links in our lives now. People are misguided that Islam brings lots of fundamentalism. Yasir believes that while you learned Arabic, you may dive in the depth of Islam and might pick the pearls of the true message of Allah's Messenger." Following his idea of teaching Arabic, students started gathering all over Pakistan to learn Arabic as a language of both understanding of Quran and dialogue, and prominently Yasir mastered teaching Arabic language to common man with less efforts and time. In span of 5 years, he delivered more than 70 lectures to over 100,000 audiences, majorly between the age of 16 to 30, from corporates, universities, colleges, school, educational and professional institutes. Yasir got marked as a youth motivational speaker. In the year 2015, Yasir migrated. Along with this family, his parents migrated to Houston, Texas, in the United States. Settling the new place was hard-hitting. The personality aspect of teaching that Yasir developed over the past years drove him again towards the field of knowledge and personality building. Yasir joined a high school where he translated his engineering skills by teaching maths and started putting efforts in character building of high school people. The trust, love and care that was exchanged between the neighborhood of Houston and Yasir has been exemplary. The prominence he gained in the society pulled him to communitize, and since his presence in United States, Yasir Usmani is acclaimed to be a major contributor in offering family and youth counseling services, tutoring Quran and Hadith, Seerah, Fiqh, Islamic history to enhance the knowledge of spiritual growth of community activities that synergize peaceful interfaith and public relation for Islam and Muslims, developing and implementing educational and extracurricular program for the youth, working with Board of Trustees on fundraising program for the community as needed, providing consultation for the Board of Trustees on religious matters, community issues and mosque activities, leading daily prayers, Ramadan, Taraweeh and Jummah khutbahs. Apna Ehtisab, accounting the self. Apna Ehtisab is an online series of short lectures that guides through our daily life matters, where we don't frisk and grope ourselves. Through this series, the speaker Yasir Usmani has tried to evoke the sense of self-evaluation and self-assessment before judging others. Explore the wisdom of Quran. The book of Allah is full of treasure. Its verses not only hold the order of Him, but its every word holds a great amount of knowledge and wisdom for the goodness of a man. Explore the wisdom of Quran in Yasir Usmani's another online series, in which he tried to unfold the scientific reason, arithmetic of Quran, word and other wisdom hidden in the verses in the simplest manner possible. You can visit the YouTube channel of Yasir Usmani to hear the recitation of Quran in the mesmerizing voice of Yasir Usmani.